As a leader in the waste and recycling industry, Penn Waste demonstrated its dedication to our environment by expanding operations in 2015, opening one of the largest single-stream recycling facilities in the nation to make it easier than ever for our customers to commit to going green. Our 96,000 square foot single-stream recycling facility located in York, Pennsylvania, receives around 200,000 tons of recyclables per year, making it easy for our customers to recycle by doing much of the work for them. The Recycle Center can process up to 45 tons of recyclables per hour. A trained operator monitors all aspects of the recycling equipment from our control room and can adjust the speed of the equipment if necessary. When you place your recycling at the curb, it's picked up by one of our team members and transported back to our recycling facility, also known as our MRF, or Materials Recovery Facility. From this point forward, your recyclable materials are in the hands of Penn Waste sanitation professionals, and their safety is our #1 priority. All team members are required to wear personal protective gear, including safety yellow shirts or vests, safety glasses, and hearing protection. In addition, our Recycle Center employees start their day with a team meeting, followed by warm-up exercises to get them ready for the day. After the materials are brought back to the MRF, they are emptied onto the tipping floor and a loader operator pushes them into the metering bin pit and onto the in-feed conveyor, which ensures a steady flow of material into the system. From the in-feed conveyor, the recyclables are conveyed to our pre-sort station, also known as Table 1, where Penn Waste team members are manually sorting through the recyclables, pulling out any contaminants, such as plastic bags, garden hoses, electrical cords, Christmas lights, auto parts, and other non-recyclable items that could get wrapped up and damage our equipment. From the pre-sort station, the recyclables are fed onto the OCC separator. Cardboard serves up over the screening rotator's discs, while smaller materials fall through and onto the debris roll screen, or DRS. The DRS steel discs break and remove the glass, along with other miscellaneous items smaller than 2 inches, including small paper, plastics, and other debris. The 2-inch and under material is predominantly glass, which is heavier than the small paper, plastics, and other debris. Air separation is used to blow the lighter material over a drum while the heavier glass falls downward. The material larger than 2 inches includes fiber and containers and heads to the new sorter screens, which separate items based on size. Newspaper ascends up and over the discs while smaller paper and containers fall through the screen deck. The polishing screen separates materials based on shape. The remaining 2-dimensional paper climbs up the angled screen deck, while the triangular spinning discs cause 3-dimensional items, including plastic and metal containers, to tumble down the screen. Any remaining small debris is also removed. A specialized optical sorter removes any paper from the 3-dimensional fraction. The remaining material stream includes mixed bottles and cans and heads to the container line, where it first passes under a magnet to remove ferrous metal containers. Optical sorters use a process called in-flight sorting to sort plastics based on the material type. A light source hits the materials, and a detection array is able to identify the type of plastic based on the light signature. Bursts of air jets separate like plastics away from other materials. Optical sorting can also separate based on color, which is used here to further separate the HDPE plastic. Colored HDPE is untouched, while the clear HDPE, including milk jugs, is propelled by air jets to a separate conveyor. Aluminum cans are removed by the eddy current separator, which propels the aluminum cans away from the other items and onto the product chute. Once the material grades are separated, they undergo a quality control process that ensures that they are clean enough to become new products. This is done by Penn Waste staff and also with equipment called the Max AI AQC for autonomous quality control. The Max AI AQC uses a camera and artificial intelligence to identify materials, like facial recognition for recycling, and a robot sorter captures any material that is on the wrong conveyor. The clean product, in this case PET plastics, continue into the storage bunker. These materials are then conveyed to their respective holding areas until they are ready to be baled. Two different types of balers are then used to compact and wrap the recyclables for transport: a fiber baler and a containers baler. Once the materials are fed into the baler, the material is condensed and bound into bales weighing around 1,500 pounds each. The bales are then placed in a trailer and shipped to manufacturers both nationally and internationally, where they're loaded onto a ship and sent to global markets. All of our recyclables are then reused and made into new products. For example, recycled plastic is turned into carpet fiber, jacket lining, clothing, and even garden furniture. Glass can be turned into new glass beverage containers, or it can be crushed and turned into sand. Penn Waste is proud to be a leader in our industry, consistently setting the bar higher by finding new ways to recycle items that were historically thrown in the garbage.